In this video, I wanted to briefly cover the exams in this course. And the two things that I want to cover are the exams that are going to be given at the end of this week and the exam that's given at the end of next week. Now, the exam at the end of this week is a bonus quiz and it's taken online. The exam at the end of next week, the end of the second week of the course, is an actual in-person exam. So these are not the same thing. So the first one I want to talk about is this online bonus quiz. Now you're not going to be able to see this until Friday at 8 a.m. But on Friday at 8 a.m., this link will become available to you and you'll be able to log in and take the online bonus quiz. So that's at the end of the first week of this course, this Friday, starting at 8 a.m. This will continue to be available to you until Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So when you click on this, you'll click on the online bonus quiz. This quiz is 2.5% bonus on your final average. So if you take it, you can get up to 2.5 extra points on your final average. So we strongly recommend that you take it. And it covers chapters 1 to 3. It is 20 questions and it's multiple choice. So when you have a free hour, you get 1 hour to do this. Sometime between Friday at 8 a.m. and Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You're going to click on this, and then you're going to click on begin. The moment you click begin, you have 1 hour. So 1 clock hour. If you log out, whatever, your hour starts, and it's just 1 hour. So you can't do part of it and then come back. You have to do the whole thing in one sitting. So when you have a free hour, anytime between Friday at 8 a.m. and Sunday at 11:59 p.m., you want to log in and do this. It is designed to give you a feel for what the actual exam is going to be like, and it's a bonus. So anything you get is free questions. I strongly recommend that you click on this exam formula sheet and periodic table, and you print out the formula sheet and the periodic table. You do use these along with some scrap paper and a scientific calculator, and you do this online bonus quiz exactly like an exam. It'll give you a feel for how the exams are going to go. So you, again, get 2.5% of your grade. So anything you get right is completely bonus. Anything you get wrong, then you know that those are the questions that you need to work on, because this, again, is designed to help you prepare for the actual exam that you're going to be taking at the end of the second week. So please take it as an actual exam. Again, please remember that you get 1 hour from the time you start. You cannot start and stop. The hour begins whenever you click go, which for the last time is any time between Friday at 8 a.m. and Sunday at 11:59 p.m. of the first week of the course. The final thing, this is a bonus quiz. Please do not share the answers to this with your fellow classmates. It's very important that you take this to give you a feel for how you're doing. And again, anything you get right, it's just free credit. So just take it as if it's a test to learn something about how you're doing in the course. And that is the exam bonus quiz. At the end of the exam bonus quiz, it'll tell you how you did. So it'll let you know if you got it right or wrong. For any ones that you got wrong, we strongly recommend you review that material because you're going to find similar questions on the actual exam itself. Now to talk about the actual exam itself. The actual midterm exam is on Friday, July 6th at 8:45 a.m. in the Education Building, room 120. So the actual midterm exam is in person and it covers chapters 1 through 5. It also counts as 35% of your grade. So if you remember, there's two exams, a midterm and a final, and the first one is on the Friday of the second week, which is July 6th at 8:45 a.m. in Education 120, and it counts as 35% of your grade. It is a 2-hour exam, so it'll run from 8:45 to 10:45 a.m. It's approximately 40 questions and it's multiple choice. Note that there may be a bonus question or two, so it might be 41 or 42 questions, but 40 of them will count and you may be able to get some bonus points. You will get the periodic table and the formula sheet. Note that the formula sheet for the midterm and the final will be different because the midterm is on chapters 1 through 5. So this formula sheet is for chapters 1 through 5. And it will be provided in the packet. You need to bring a scientific calculator. You may not use a cell phone or any other calculator or device that communicates with the outside world, so make sure you have a scientific calculator. You also need to bring a photo ID for when you hand in the exam, and we will make a practice exam available next Monday, 1 week in the the first Monday of the second week of the course, we will put a practice exam on Blackboard so that you can have a feel for what the actual exam will be like. So these are the bonus quiz, which again, the online bonus quiz is starting this Friday, and the actual midterm exam, which is on chapters 1 through 5, and which is at the Friday of the second week of the course on July 6th at 8:45 a.m. in Education Room 120.